What is this? Car theft 101.
Yeah, for our own vehicle.
I put you a screwdriver in there and start it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. It ain't catching in gears, and I don't know why.
Now, what is it you said is happening with the stuff in there?
The tumbler fell out.
The tumbler.
The key broke. I took the switch out, and the tumbler, it's got them gears on it. Has to catch the gears in the switch. Turn the motor over.
Is there some way that somebody could fix it?
Yeah, if I can stick a dynamite.
That's it?
That would fix it for good, yeah. Yeah, I'm probably just going to get another steering column.
You'll have to, baby. This is ridiculous.
Yeah.